Hello and welcome to Life on Pig Row, and today we're looking at the VonHaus hedge trimmer. A load of you have asked us to show you it working because we unboxed it a while ago on this channel. So today we're going to look at that and how it works, show you that going battery sometimes helps the environment but also helps you compared to weight and sound noises. So let's go and look at the hedges which we're cutting just behind me. Straight away, Deadlight to lift. I've got a disability, I've got spinal damage. It's got two handles, and the reason for that is I can't switch it on, you have to be together. So in the event I fell over, it's what was called a dead man's switch. It'll switch off, and also you can tell, not particularly loud. So you can see straight away the difference between cutting non-cutting. So it's a really nice clean cut, straight up and straight down. So that's the VonHaus hedge trimmers which we unboxed a while back. You can see straight away they're really light. Decibel on it is around 92 decibels, which is a lot quieter than a petrol one, which you can hear in the background. And really good cut, and you know it limits me because the charge lasts about 2 hours to 90 minutes, and the great thing about that is once that charge is over it makes me stop doing hedge cutting, makes me go and rest as it charges. So until next time, bye bye.